What's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to my Facebook Live eventually on YouTube, okay? Alright, I'm home after the Big 9 second line, okay? I, I hope y'all have fun watching that, okay? I mean, I love doing this show, okay? That's why I got a YouTube channel and stuff like that, Got Facebook and stuff like that, okay? So I use social media for entertaining, okay? I'll try my best not to post bad statuses and stuff like I used to do, okay? So anyway, as I was saying, y'all, it was so much fun seeing those people dancing and do the second line dance, blah, 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 and all that. Yes, indeed. I mean, it was so much fun, though, as I explained it on YouTube. But if you're watching this on YouTube already, it's already been uploaded. But if you're watching this on Facebook, go to YouTube, all right? All right, so, I mean, it was so much fun over there. I mean, I wish I could turn back the hands of time and do it again. Well, to do it again is to watch it again. Okay? Yes, indeed. Okay? So, anyway, I'm not going to say you don't know what you're missing. If you just want to watch it on television, you can just watch it on television. Okay? All right? I'll give it to you. Okay? But I might go to the next second line next year. Okay? I'll think about it. Okay? All right, thank y'all for watching. Your boy Domino 7 is safe and sound, okay? All right, see y'all later, all right?